you one question. Why you turning the Caribbean against me?
I'm not turning no Caribbean against you, Damion.
Well, I think you're really supposed to be neutral here because it's an official match between.
Wait, Blamdam, hold on. Let me hear what he's saying.
You take the game too bomba clad serious. I'm telling you too fool.
Let him talk, Blamdam. Go ahead, Damion. I'm listening.
So my question is, why are you trying to turn the Caribbean towards me, like to shoot against me? Because I haven't done anything for you to do that.
I love you. You can't tell I like you?
I don't know. Do you?
Isn't that what I just said?
You just asked me. Oh, before that you tell me, yeah.
Why you think I would do that to you?
Trinidad and Jamaica come out and
They
shoot
know
for
I'm
them.
joking, Damion. Do you think that, Damion, do you think anybody is taking me serious?
Okay. All right. At this point, you need to tell them to tell Jamaica, Trinidad, and Guyana to shoot for me. No, that's your own thing. Okay, you should do it.
Damion,
Make it neutral.
Damion, you think that